comparing numbers. You can use a number line or you can use the place values. Does everybody remember this place value chart? So you may want to do something like this. So these are all my negative numbers. And then my positive numbers.
I finished.
Okay. If you want to try the second one too, while they're still working on the first one if you want.
I'm going to try those number ones.
And just throw that 0 in there. And like this is going to be your greatest. Let's see. So like the greatest number over here, the least. And then you could do the same thing for number 2. The greatest number, the smallest number. All right, so I have 6 and I have 15. Ignore the negative sign. Who's bigger, 6 or 15? Ignore the negative sign on 6. So 15 is bigger, right?
Mm-hmm.
So your answer is going to be a positive, so I don't have to put the plus sign. So what is 15 minus 6?
15 minus 6 is 10.
It would be
Close, 9.
9.
So now, if you want to use your calculator, you can just type in negative 8. Do you know where the negative sign is on the calculator?
Mm-hmm.
Plus 5.
Negative 3.
Yep. If you have to, and your calculator is dead, you could always just do, well, 30 is bigger. So I can do 30 minus 21. Because 30 is bigger, right?
9.
So that's going to be negative 9, right?
Mm-hmm.
But now I have 3 numbers. First, so I have negative 20 plus 5.
15.
What kind of 15?
Yeah, 15.
Negative 15. Now add a negative 10.
Negative 5?
Well, they're both negative, right?
So it's going to be positive.
So it's going to stay negative because you're adding.
Oh,
Negative
5.
25?
Should be negative 25.